How to restore signal backup in iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can restore your backup chats of your Signal device. So let's dive right in. First things first, you need to go to the App Store to reinstall your Signal app. So go to the search bar in the bottom right corner and then search for the Signal app. So once you find it, just download the app, and then after it is downloaded, hit open. Now, as soon as you open it, you'll be able to see restore or transfer account at the bottom. Just tap on it and you'll be able to see two options. I have my old phone and I don't have my old phone. So if you have your old phone, then you can scan a QR code from your current Signal account to get started quickly. And if you don't have your old phone, then you can reinstall Signal on the same device. So let's try both of the options. First things first, I will choose I have my old phone, and then once I open it up, it will give me a QR code to scan. So you'll need to open Signal on your old device, tap the camera icon and scan this code with the camera, and automatically all of your backup chats will appear. It's as simple as that. Now, second option is you can go to cancel and then I'll go back to the same page and tap on restore or transfer account. And now this time go to I don't have my old phone. And here you'll get two options, that is restore Signal secure backup or register without transferring. So tap on restore Signal secure backup. So once you tap on it, it will prompt you to enter your phone number. You just need to put in your phone number and a verification code will be sent to your device. Maybe your messages, and you just need to tap your verification code and all of your chats will be restored. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, everyone.